Hello and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Here on this channel, I try as much as possible to break down all of the complexities in digital marketing. I mean, literally, I help to demystify all of the things that are considered difficult in the industry, leveraging on my 10 years of digital marketing experience. So if you are a returning subscriber, kindly consider liking this video. It helps the algorithm suggest this particular video or some other ones I've made in the past to users, right? And of course, if you're a new visitor to my channel, consider subscribing and turning on also the notification bell so that when next I make quality videos like this, dishing out knowledge born out of experience, you are also able to see them as quickly as possible. So in this particular video, I want us to discuss something very important that relates to job application for digital marketers, right? And of course, I'll be walking you through in practical terms using Chatgpt, artificial intelligence, obviously, to write or to rewrite your existing CV, right? Because in the job application process, the very first point of contact a recruiter has is your CV. I mean, your CV is that particular version of yourself that is physically present on the desk of the recruiter, detailing on who exactly you are and what exactly you've been able to achieve in all of these years of practicing in digital marketing or maybe any other industry that you are currently playing in, right? So in my years of experience practicing in digital marketing, I've come to realize that there are some key things that must be found inside of your CV, right? And trust me on this, we will walk through all of that in practical terms using ChatGPT in the course of teaching you how to write or rewrite your CV. One of them, very importantly, is your skills. Your ability to communicate your skill set to a recruiter or to a potential employer will actually help you stand out. Very importantly to know that. Apart from that, your result. What results have you been able to achieve in all of these years of playing in this particular industry? Your ability to communicate your result in terms of numbers will help you also to stand out in the recruitment process. Apart from this, the value you are bringing on board. What value are you bringing to the organization? This also must be communicated in your CV. And last but not least, your CV must be succinct. You don't want to bore your recruiter or your potential employer with 5 pages or 6 pages of CV. So all of these things will be covered in the practical session where I will walk you through on how to leverage ChatGPT to write or rewriting your CV. Apart from CV writing also, I'm going to help you learn how to use ChatGPT to craft your cover letter for that particular job that you want to apply to also. And in doing this, we will factor in the job description for that particular position so that you are also in alignment with what your recruiter or your potential employer is asking of you. So let's get right into the practical session where I walk you through on how to use ChatGPT to write or to rewrite your CV. So welcome here, guys. I believe that by now you have access to ChatGPT. I mean, you have an account on ChatGPT. So simply get here to ChatGPT, chatgpt.com. So let's go to indeed.com, for instance. Let's search for SEO jobs here. So let's say SEO specialist roles, let's say in Lagos, for instance, and let's find jobs. So yeah, these are some of the jobs that are currently available. Let's tap on this first one, for instance, and this is all that they are asking anyone should do, right, to be qualified for the job. So let's say, for instance, we are going for this digital marketing specialist job. So once again, this is everything the person is expected to know or to be able to do in order to stand out as the preferred candidate. Yeah, so I'll simply copy the full description of the job right here. Okay, they're even requesting the person have a driver's license. So yeah, I'll copy this. I'll copy this right here. Then I'll come right here. Hello. By typing hello, the guy says hi, how are you today? I will, yeah, let me say I'm doing great. I'm doing great. All right. So anything exciting happening today or just enjoying a peaceful day? This guy is funny. Nothing, nothing really. I just want assistance with revamping my CV for a new job opening. Alright, I say sure, I'd happy to help you with that. Do you have a CV that I'd like to update, or you are starting from scratch? Also, could you let me know what type of job you are applying for? Right. I have an existing CV, comma, and I am applying for a digital marketing specialist role. Okay, digital marketing specialist role. Alright, so great. To start, could you share your current CV with me, or the key sections and points you've included? This will help me understand what information you have and how we can enhance this for the digital marketing role. Okay, so let's get back to where my CV is. So the guy is asking me to drop my CV with it. Let me use it because it is not a human. Right, so here on Google Docs I have my CV here. Let me tap on this particular one right here. Yeah, so this is all of my information. I will simply do Control A and copy, then get back to this guy. So here is all of the details in my existing CV. I paste this here, right? So let's come once again to this man here, copy this, and here are the complete information from Kronos Roma, the hiring agency. All right, develop me a new CV and a compelling cover letter to apply for this digital marketing specialist role. So let's see what the guy is able to come up with. He says, certainly, this is all the guy has for me. This is the CV right here, and then this is a cover letter also. Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, so I will simply go right here and copy this man right here. Yeah, so up to this point I'll copy all of this, then I'll head back to Google Documents to create a new document. You can also use Word document, I mean Microsoft Word, but in my case I always like to use Google Documents so that I'm able to save it or stash it online. Yeah, so this here, I will simply paste this right here. Yeah, so this is all I have. I can go ahead now and retouch. This one should be at the center, so center align. Let me increase this man right here. Yeah, so this is everything, and then key skills, this. Okay, so remember I talked about numbers, showing your results in the form of numbers. Yeah, so look at this, for instance, 100 plus organic leads, right? This is 18,000, this is 1,002, and the rest of them. So try as much as you can to show numbers in your result. So this is how many pages? 1 and 2, just 2 pages. Your CV is succinct. It outlines all of the skills, all of the key skills that you have, and then also the results you have been able to get, which of course signals to the recruiter that you'll be able to replicate the same thing in the organization if you're hired. Yeah, so it also outlines some of your key achievements and then also references upon request. So this is what you have for CV. You can go ahead now and name this to whatever it is that you want, right? Come to files, download in the form of a PDF document. So this is downloaded. Let's open this up. This is what you currently have, just 2 pages of CV. So the same thing also you can do for your cover letter. Simply copy it. So look very closely to the sections where you have company name. You can just change all of this to the original name of the company. Where you have your name here, kindly put your name here. So go through the cover letter, put up the name, put up your name here, your address and the rest of them, the date, the hiring manager, the company name, the address, the zip, whatever they have, and then get started with this. So once again, look closely into all of this so that you don't end up copying and pasting company name instead of the name of the company itself. Yeah, so that is it basically on how to use Chatgpt to write your CV and your cover letter. Do ensure that you go through all of the content that Chatgpt has given to you and make necessary corrections, both grammatical corrections and also sentence correction and several other ones that you may find within the results. Thank you so much, guys, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do that. That encourages me a lot. And if you have done that already, turn on the notification bell so that you're able to see next content when I make them definitely. Thank you so much, and it will be a bye for now.